Ijaw people are already angry that this is the worst government. This government is against Ijaw people, and you want to add fire to petrol? You want to add petrol to fire? This is the worst government. That's the feeling of the Ijaw people. If nobody is telling you, as a friend, I will tell you, Ijaw people feel this is the worst government for them. This is a nightmare for them.
Please don't forget to subscribe, comment, share with your friends to have access to this kind of content that you have here. Don't forget to subscribe. I love and respect you. I'll be right back.
And I think all of us, men of goodwill, must come together and make sure this is enforced. All of us. Are we in the forefront of the people to enforce this? I'm not a member of PDP, I'm not a member of APC. I'm a friend of Bola Tinubu, but that does not mean that when something is wrong, I will not come out to say it is wrong. Rivers people said they did not want APC. I supported APC in the governorship. And the decision of the Rivers State people, the decision of Rivers State electorate should be respected. The decision of the electorate of Rivers State, you cannot joke with us. These laws, the mandate we gave to these 27 people in the House of Assembly was that they were on the platform, according to the results that were announced. They were on the platform of PDP and they were elected, and that's why the people, the choice of the people of Rivers State, according to the result elected and the certificate of returns, is that these people are on the platform of PDP, and Rivers State people preferred them on the platform of PDP and elected them. If they had the courage to say, we don't want PDP again for whatever reason, and they are going to the APC, then they should also have the courage to leave the seat. If they don't leave, vacate this seat, Rivers State people have every right to reclaim the mandate we are giving to them. Rivers State people have the right to reclaim the mandate given to them. And we are going to do it. We are not going to hide. I am not going to hide. And I also want to say that the president called the minister for FCT and the governor of Rivers State to Abuja and told them to maintain the status quo. To maintain the status quo. And what's happening? Why is the status quo no longer maintained and respected? Why is the status quo no longer maintained and respected? Why is the Minister for Federal Capital Territory, Ezebunwa or Wike, overreaching, overstepping this agreement? Why is he doing that? Why is it that President Bola Tinubu, my friend, cannot really mean, cannot bring this man in and tell him, I told you people to maintain the status quo. Why are you overreaching yourself? President Bola Tinubu, there are a lot of things involved in this Rivers State matter. And as a friend, I am advising you, if you are not careful, Rivers State will become your albatross. Like the ancient mariner. You are going to carry it on your neck. Do you know why? Rivers State have the largest number of Ijaw people. And apart from the Fulanis and the Yorubas to a certain extent, Rivers State people have, the Ijaw people in Rivers State are found everywhere. They are in Gabon in large number, Equatorial Guinea, Cameroon, Sierra Leone, Liberia. They're all on the coast. And the Ijaw people act like one people. You have seen them in Ondo State. You have seen them in Edo State. You have seen them in Delta. They act as one people. They are like the immigrant Fulanis coming from everywhere. When one Ijaw man is hot, Ijaw people, it is very easy to rally Ijaw people. They are one of the easiest people to rally around to come. You only need to say, Ijaw, Kimemia, Emie. Asawana, and they will come. The ethnic card is already in this game. It's just sentiment. You saw Ijaw people in Ondo State. You, as governor, you even saw them in Lagos State. For the sake of one man, you are looking for money to implement your programs for this government to succeed. But for a few people, you are ready to throw this away. Why will any reasonable person decide to provoke Ijaw people? Any reasonable person. Are there no advisors? Are they telling you, like Nehru was sitting? Why Rome burn? He was drinking and celebrating. Why Rome burn? I might have differences with him, but I know his some people. I know them. And I'm telling you, when Alamesia came to make peace with you in Lagos, after the crisis, I know Ijaw people. They don't relent. Can you afford that? Because they will come like a tsunami. They don't need anybody. They don't need Sim to give them money. They don't need Sim. Nobody mobilize them with money in Lagos, in Ondo, in Edo, and in Delta. Nobody. The environment provide them with the money and the resources to carry out the activities without blinking their eyes. You don't want to hear this naked truth. Okay, don't hear it. Don't hear it. Ijaw people are already angry that this is the worst government. This government is against Ijaw people, and you want to add fire to petrol? You want to add petrol to fire? This is the worst government. That's the feeling of the Ijaw people. If nobody is telling you, as a friend, I will tell you, Ijaw people feel this is the worst government for them. This is a nightmare for them. And when we were voting, when we were campaigning for you, a lot of Ijaw people called me, President, you don't know Tinubu. You know everything about Tinubu. Tinubu is your friend. No? We hope he's not going to look the other way. And I assured everybody, I say, if Tinubu fails, hold me responsible. And today, the people are asking me, are you still on that if Tinubu fails, hold me responsible? Rivers State is the litmus test. If there is going to be any fire, it will start in Rivers State. I cannot stop them. I, as an individual, I cannot stop them. I cannot even stand on their way because they will shove me aside. Let me tell you, nobody, if anybody is giving you assurance that he can stand in the gap between you and the Ijaw people, when the Ijaw people feel that your government is against them, then that person is your worst enemy, because Ijaw people will crush him. Whoever he is, whether it's an Ijaw man or not, Ijaw people will crush him. The earlier you call your minister and the governor to Abuja again to maintain the status quo, the better it will be. The better it will be. I am saying it. I have everything to lose. But if I don't advise you, I stake my life. I stake everything. I stake my businesses, my source of livelihood for you to become president. And if I am unable to tell you the truth, if you are in your government, I have to stake everything for telling you the truth. I have started doing it now. I am staking everything to tell you the truth. It is left for you to hear, but the result you will see. The Ijaw people feel insulted. They produce over 80% of the resources in Nigeria. And 100% of the resources in Nigeria, the oil and gas, pass through their territory for export to all the terminals. All pipelines pass through Ijaw land. And you look at them, you look at Ijaw people, and you give us one third-class minister. It has never happened. From Gowon to now, it has never happened. And all of us, some of us have tried as much as we can to see that these things change. No. Every day you remove Ijaw people from the position. Ijaw people consider Buhari government as the worst in the history of the Ijaw nation. But even the people Buhari appointed and left, you are removing them. And putting on Ijaw. The few places Buhari kept them, you are removing them. And you think some people are telling you, it's okay, we are going to handle it for you. They are deceiving you. And the easiest way for this fire is in Rivers State. When it starts, you won't get the oil you are looking for. You won't get the revenue you are looking for. They are telling you, mobilize the army to kill Ijaw people. Please do. The people who are advising you, mobilize Ijaw people to come and to mobilize the army people to come, the military, to come and kill Ijaw people so that you can easily implement the program they have laid out for you. Okay, please do. P2B cannot be right. Forget, I will not support P2B, so go with your P2B. It's gone, it's history. Rivers State will be the easiest. I have no, the first time I shook hand with this thing was at the burial of my king, Asari Valley. I sat there. The governor came to greet me. That was where I was. I have not had any contact with the governor. So let nobody say. The same way, I did not see Wike until my friends, my associates feel that, oh, there's a need, let us go and see Wike. And we went. And since that day I left, I have never gone there. Even when I'm supposed to call him, I didn't call Wike. I'm saying it live. He's there. I didn't call him. I don't have any personal problem with Wike. I don't have any personal problem with him. I hardly have personal problem with people. I say my mind. If you don't like it, okay. But Mr. President, let me tell you, if you allow Wike to push this as he's doing, it will be very difficult for him to even come to Rivers State. It will be difficult for those 27 House of Assembly members to even have a place to stay in Rivers State. It will be difficult for anybody if they think that they are going to impeach him and the Ijaw people will allow it. It will be difficult to impeach him. Mark this word, I'm telling you. God knows. Nobody. It will be difficult to impeach him and bring a governor. It's not going to be possible. Go and ask in Ondo State. Go and ask in Delta State. The fury of the Ijaw people. They don't give a damn. They are hardly afraid of death. I'm telling you the truth. The earlier you hear this, you accept it. Call wicked, call sane. Let them maintain the status quo. That is the only way. If they don't, Alamesia impeachment was Ijo. So the person who succeeded Alamesia was Ijo. Good luck, Jonathan. He became vice president and became president. So it is not Alamesia's matter. Try this one and see what will happen. Try this one and see what will happen. A word is enough for the wise.
This is ODUA TV Watch. Don't forget to subscribe, comment your opinion, like, comment and share so that other people can get access to what you enjoy on our channel. Thank you. We love you.